Have you ever wondered why you get tears when you yawn? Let's find out. When you yawn, the muscles around your eyes contract. This pressure can squeeze your tear glands, causing a small release of tears. It's similar to how you might tear up when you laugh or sneeze. Additionally, yawning often occurs when you're tired or bored, which can make your eyes drier. Your body produces tears to keep your eyes lubricated and comfortable. So, next time you find yourself tearing up mid-yawn, remember it's just your body's way of keeping your eyes in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching and stay curious.